We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone that won't turn on. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be extremely frustrating and worrying because you're then unable to go and use your phone. So perhaps you've just gone to pick up your phone and now it's just not turning on. You're going to press that side button and it's not turning on. We're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and resolve this. It's important you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss the method that goes and solves the problem for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started. So first of all, what you want to try doing is you want to come onto the side of your phone and go and find the side button, and you want to go and tap and hold that down for 10 to 15 seconds. So press and hold it down. Then hopefully you'll go and see the Apple logo will go and appear within that time. If you find that it doesn't, don't worry. We're going to get into the next fix. So the next fix you want to try doing is you want to go and grab your iPhone's cable. Here it is. And what you want to do is you want to go and plug it in. It could be in the situation of where your iPhone has run out of charge. So what you can do is try letting it charge. Even if you think it has got charge, just go and plug it in while we try doing this. Now, what we're going to try doing is we're going to go and try tapping and holding this again, just to go and see if it was completely out of battery and if that has now going to solve the problem going and charging it. Now, if you find that it still isn't, what we can try doing is a button combination to try fixing this, as it could be a software problem, which is stopping the iPhone from coming on. So to go and get started, what we're going to need to do is we're going to have to go and press the buttons in a specific combination. So first of all, you need to go and find the volume controls on the left-hand side of the phone. What you're going to go and do is go and press the upper volume button, then the lower, and then we go and tap and hold the side button. That all needs to be done quickly and consecutively. So now let's go and do that live. So what we're going to do is volume increase, decrease, and then you tap and hold the side button. Now keep this held down. You're going to go and find that to start with, the iPhone screen is still going to go and remain black. Just keep it held down and you should hopefully go and see the Apple icon. As you can see, when you do, you can then go and release and it will then come on. We'll just go and unplug this for now, but it can be worth going and leaving it plugged in if it's very low on charge, but I've been charging it for a little bit, so it should be all right. So go and wait and it should hopefully come back on. As you can see, I've got charge, it's fine. And we can now go and use it again and we've turned it on. If you're finding your iPhone still won't go and turn on, what I recommend you do is you just go and inspect the port here at the bottom, because it could be a problem where your iPhone isn't going and charging and it's completely out of charge. If you see any dust or debris in there, try blowing in there sharply to go and clear it. And then what you want to try doing is you want to try plugging in the iPhone again with the cable. And then what you can do is you can go and repeat those steps again. So you can go and tap and hold the side button. And then what you can do is try doing the combination I guided you through before, which was the volume increase, the decrease, and then you tap and hold that side button. And then hopefully it will go and start and the problem will go and be resolved. That's it. Hopefully with the help of this video, you've now managed to go and get your iPhone turned on.
So I have this secondhand